We are here to talk about a home block.
I want to show to you today is how to do this roof. I have right here just the roof of my house.
Okay.
Right? So I have 2 rectangles. So I am going to determine how far I want to measure over. And I think I'm going to take this angle about 2 inches. And I'm just going to mark out just a little tick mark. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to draw just a line. And this is my stitching line.
Yeah. Set my seam.
Take and trim my angle right along that background piece.
Yeah.
This point is where I take my bulk out.
Okay, that
and
makes
trim
sense.
my
Yes.
1/4 inch away. Okay, now my bulk is trimmed out, and look, I have that perfect angle
that.
right there. Okay,
That was easy.
perfect. Wasn't that easy?
So simple.
So